Hey, how's it going? So my name is Mark Schonigal. I'm the lead evangelist here at Unity Technologies, and we are at CES 2020. We are showing off some really cool technology. This right here is pretty awesome. This is showing off HMIs. HMIs are basically dashboards. So what we're going to see coming in the future is your automotive is no longer going to have two little needles telling you what the car is doing. We're going to have full featured displays like we see here. What's amazing about this particular demo is this is all running on a $15 chipset. So here we have GPS, we have the ability to scrub through some different media. I've got different modes here. I go to comfort mode versus sport mode. You can see the dashboard changes. Here we're obviously just looking at a driving scenario, but if I go and push this button here, check this out. On a $15 chipset, I'm able to play games. And you're probably wondering, why would you want to play games in a car? Well, pretty soon you're not going to be driving the car, right? The car is going to be driving itself, and you're going to need to do something in the car while it's driving. So rather than look at your RPMs and some maybe your how much energy your car has left, you'll be able to play games. And not only does this chipset support games, we have the full power of the Unity engine in here. So if we go ahead and exit this demo, I can go ahead and snap right back to driving mode. But we also have the power of the Unity visual effects graph. So this is a full particle engine doing all these cool particle displays. So this is the Unity logo right here, but it could be something far more exciting, like different audio visualizers. So you can really be as creative as you want with these HMIs. And that's just what we're doing here in HMIs. Over there, we're showing off a car configurator. So when you walk into a showroom, grab a tablet, configure that car exactly how you want it. We're showing a Volkswagen over there, pick the wheels, pick the color, hand it back to the salesperson, and your car is going to arrive, from Germany. Over here we have autonomous driving, which is a really big thing. So, right now, cars are going to drive themselves in the future, right? Or they're actually doing it now. And so they're using technologies like Unity. If you think of a game like Grand Theft Auto, a huge, big world, a city, well, that's what we're building in Unity, but we're teaching cars how to drive. So all those cars that are in the environment are being driven by the computer, but the one that's actually the car that you would be in, that's being driven by a standalone autonomous driving car or a controller. So all of the camera outputs that Unity can generate, which is LiDAR, thermal, standard cameras, even simulating things like rain. When rain hits those cameras, car just can't come to a stop, or when a bug hits it. So we can simulate all of that inside of Unity, pump that data out into the real vehicle controllers to simulate those simulations. It's pretty darn cool to see like 10,000 simulations were being run at once. Billions of simulated hours have been simulated in Unity. And of course, real-time visualization. Auto manufacturers want to be able to see what the cars look like during the design process. So that's all stuff we're doing as well. And that's just, what we're doing here for automotive. Of course, we're still heavily in gaming, architecture, engineering, construction, all that good stuff. So really just a taste of what we're doing here at CES.